Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nurul Awatif binti Ahmad Zaini.
My name is Muhammad Nafis bin Nordin.
My name is Nofilza Izzati binti Azhari.
Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric function. So, does anyone know what is the concept of trigonometric function?
I think I know the concept of trigonometric function. Trigonometry can be defined as a calculation with triangle involved in the studies of length, height, and angle. So trigonometry and its function have an enormous number of uses in our daily life. It emerged in 3rd century, involving application from astronomy to geometric studies. Now it's spread more wider in fields like engineering, physics, and even in the investigation of crime scene. Trigonometry is the most important concept in mathematics, and it play important roles in almost all the fields and used for finding the angle and the side of the triangle.
Trigonometry, the branch of mathematics concerned with specific function of angles and their application to the calculations.
Nafis, I think there are 6 functions of angle commonly used in trigonometry. What are the 6 functions?
The function involves is sine, the cos, the tangent, the cotangent, secant, and sec.
Oh, I see.
So, how can we apply math in our daily life?
Trigonometry has a wide range of application in our daily life. It may not have a direct application in solving practical issue, but it's used in various fields. For example, trigonometry is used in developing of computer music. As you guys are familiar, that sound are travel in the form of wave, and this wave pattern through a sine or cosine function for developing of computer music. Did you guys have any addition how we can apply math in our daily life?
But I think I have some addition about this question. We agree that an individual might not see the direct application of trigonometry in our daily life, but the usage of this topic of mathematics is hidden in their individual backgrounds in an abstract form. A simple example of use in our daily life can be a mechanical structure, say a bridge or a building. The blueprint of this plan involves huge amount of trigonometric concept where the necessary measurements are done for the incorporation into the plan. Trigonometry makes it possible for individuals to determine unknown sides and angles. This is of paramount importance for drafting the sketch of the plan.
So Fiza, in your life, did you ever use mathematics which is related to trigonometric function concept? Anything that you know that use trigonometry in daily life?
I know that one thing that I could use an example for everyone, which is a game, and I know that both of you have played a game in your daily life, right?
Yes.
So did you guys know that game is also used a trigonometric concept in game development in order to make the game to function? Metric is used in writing the program for games so that object can move, and it also used for designing object, character, and the set. As example, I would take the most popular game right now, which is PUBG. In order to make the character move and make the character to jump or bend, the program will writing in using X and Y. So for finding the position and the speed of the object involved, it can use the of triangle, which is length, height, and angle.
from this, we can see why do we need mathematics in our daily life, and it is very important to us to know mathematics, even a basic mathematics.
I have something to say why we need mathematics, and especially why we have to know trigonometry. The secret, the sign of trigonometry emerge when humans want to locate height, mountain, and star. Therefore, the knowledge about this topic when humans feel the need and mathematics are necessary for the long planning of life, and also the daily planning of any individual.
Yes, I agree. The mathematics is necessary for any process. So if anyone to reach the height of his life, he should not fail to believe in the role of mathematics in his life. Starting with the ordinary citizen, every day has a daily interest in mathematics. Mathematics is deeply related to the natural phenomenon, the way to solve many secret ends of nature. Nafis, can we know how has math helped you to solve real-life problems, for example in architecture?
Not only that, the trigonometry used to solve the architecture problems. A little bit about architecture. Trigonometry is used in architecture to ensure that buildings are built safely. We can solve it by the calculate exact angles of intersection for the components of their structure to ensure stability and safety. The architect design buildings and other structures. In addition to the considering the way these buildings are structured look, they also make sure that they are functional and safe. The architect not only draw the plans for the building, but they have to make sure the building follows safety code.
Oh, in our real life, we ever going to use math? So, what are activity that you use mathematics, which is trigonometry, Fiza?
When I go to vacation, I also have mathematics, especially in trigonometry. It is because trigonometry is used to set directions such as the north, south, east, west. So it tells you what direction to take with the compass to get on a straight direction. It is used in navigation in order to pinpoint a location. It is also used to find the distance of shore from the point in the sea. It is also used to see the horizon.
Not only that, math also help me to build things. Trigonometry is one of the cornerstones of mathematics, physics, and the engineering. Using the universal properties of triangles to calculate unknown distance and angle with limited starting information, many jobs use trigonometry. Writers from reference.com point out that civil engineering are among the many professions that use trigonometry on a daily basis. Civil engineering is an important part of the construction process. With civil engineering, designing structure before they are built. Therefore, trigonometry helped me to build a building. If I were an engineer in the future.
Okay, for me, trigonometry helped me to manage my time. As a student college matriculation in Pulau Pinang, trigonometry helped me to save time to go to class. If I go from block to class, when my class at BSG, using the normal route, the distance may be in 200 meter. If I use Pythagoras theorem in trigonometry, I can go to class faster than usual, which is 150 meter only.
Oh, that's why you always come early to the class.
Yeah.
So I think that's all for our discussion. Okay. Thank
Thank you.
you.